Hi everyone, welcome to another Miroverse template video. In this video, we'll take a look at one of the most interesting topics, which is resting up. Now, I know we all need it, but how about a rest themed retrospective board? Now, jokes aside, I actually got this idea after reading an interesting article which said that there are 7 types of rest: creative, spiritual, sensory, emotional, social, physical, and mental. And I thought, let's convert that into an interesting retrospective board. Now, these 7 types of rest can be used as an icebreaker before starting the retrospective. What you'd want to do is either using post-it notes, or if you have images of your team, so like headshots or mugshots of your team, you can copy those images and put it on this graph as well, or just put it at the side. And then what each person can do is, now this is like a nice radar graph. Unfortunately, you can't draw and create those shapes here in Miro. But what you can do is you can pick up your each team member can pick up their post-it note or their a profile picture and place it at different places in this graph. You can always duplicate it. Like John, for example, needs some rest from sensory, in the sensory category, but not so much in the mental category. So the closer to the center you put your post-it note or picture, that would just mean that you need sort of like a balanced rest in all different areas. And of course, if you copy your post notes and put it anywhere here in these ranges, that means you require more towards that one particular category. Or if it's somewhere in the middle, then it's a mix of these two categories that you actually need rest in. So that is a nice little icebreaker. Everybody can put their post-it notes or their pictures over there in this graph, and then as a team you can just speak about it. Now, moving on to the actual retrospective itself, you have the first one, which is a sound sleep. A sound sprint. Now, here is where you would look at all the things that actually went well, and were the reasons probably of giving you a sound sleep in the last sprint. So grab a post-it note and make a note of that over here. The next one is, there's a dog in my bed. Now, I don't know about you, but I don't want any dogs in my bed, and if that happens, something has not gone too well. Which is why you would use this section and to grab a post-it note and make a note of what didn't go so well in the last sprint. And finally, actions for the future, right? So you also want to have a nice sound sleep for all the future sprints, and that would mean that you need to grab a post-it note based on what things didn't go well. Jot down some actions where what you can do to make sure that the future sprints go nice and smooth. That was the template, and this is an example. The example, of course, you can delete it. The template you can keep, and I definitely recommend to lock all the items in the board, like lock the images so that when you use your cursor to drag things around, it doesn't move out of place. All the images for this that is used in this board is over here, so you can click on it to look at the Unsplash website, where all these images are taken from. And of course, the description of this video contains what I just spoke about, in case you need a refresher. So I'll drop a link to this Miro board in the description of this YouTube video. And then of course you can just click on this blue button, use template button, to copy this Miro template to your Miro account. And do give it a like, hit the share button to share it with your network. And that's it. That's it for this resting up Miro retrospective template. I hope you like this video, but please do like the video, do share it with your network, and of course subscribe to this YouTube channel for many more videos to come. That's it for this video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in another video.